So this recipe is mainly for my fish lovers, guys. If you want a very simple, easy to make recipe that is flavor packed, okay, with some goodness, don't go anywhere. Let me show you how to make this. So all you need is bell peppers, onions, and oil. I chose to use coconut oil, guys. Step 2, make sure that you wash your fish with lemon, guys, okay, or whatever you want to wash it with. Make 3 incisions into each side of it and go ahead and add your blended ingredients. Step 4, we're going to go ahead and build up on our flavors, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and add basil and also some ginger and some salt, guys. I'm keeping this very simple. All right, guys, so to all my plantain lovers out there, all right, I've cut some ripe plantain and I'm gonna go ahead and add it with some crushed pepper for, of course, the spice. You know how First Class does it. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and bake this on 350 degrees for 20 minutes. And then after the 20 minutes, you're going to go ahead and amp up that heat and put it on 400 degrees for another 10 minutes, guys. All right, guys, because we want to go ahead and build flavor with this fish, we want this really luscious, flavorful, packed fish. We're going to go ahead and start with some oil, some blended tomatoes, as well as some onions, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and later add some crushed peppers, and you can add any kind of spice that you want. I chose to add some salt as well as 1 Maggi cube. And guys, I'm gonna leave this to cook for about 15 minutes and then it's done.